Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern architectural masterpiece featuring a luxurious outdoor living space, the scene captures a contemporary home with a mix of stone and glass elements, emphasizing clean lines and an open layout. The setting includes a sleek infinity pool reflecting the clear blue sky, surrounded by lush greenery and carefully arranged succulent plants. Warm tones dominate, including the rich wooden accents of the roof and outdoor furniture, contrasting with cool stone textures. The outdoor kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, paired with elegant dining furniture set for an alfresco meal. A modern architectural design with a wide, open facade featuring large glass windows and wooden accents, surrounded by a meticulously landscaped garden in bright daylight. The scene showcases a neatly paved pathway made of rectangular stones, bordered by vibrant green succulents and colorful flowering plants. Various shades of green and earthy tones mingle with gravel in black and reddish hues, contributing to a harmonious natural setting. The backdrop features mature trees casting gentle shadows, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere. A modern architectural scene set in a vibrant desert garden, showcasing a sleek, rust-colored structure framed by lush cacti and colorful succulents. A winding pathway of wooden stepping stones leads through the garden, surrounded by various species of cacti, including tall saguaros and spherical barrel cacti adorned with bright flowers. The sky is a soft blue with fluffy white clouds casting gentle shadows. The overall aesthetics lean towards hyperrealism, emphasizing sharp details in both the natural elements and the architectural features. Rich earthy tones are complemented by the vibrant greens and yellows of the plants, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Modern lakeside home at Twilight, featuring a stunning two-story facade with glass walls that reflect the serene water, designed in a minimalist aesthetic with a warm, inviting atmosphere. The setting includes a carefully landscaped yard with lush greenery and illuminated path lights along wooden decking that extends toward the water. Color palette emphasizes soft earth tones, complemented by warm white lighting highlights along the deck and around natural stone features partially submerged in the water. The scene captures a tranquil ambience with hints of fog hovering over the water, suggesting a gentle transition into night. A modern, two-story house with an open-concept design, situated in a lush tropical setting. The structure features large glass windows that reflect the surrounding greenery. The balcony is adorned with vibrant flowers and a variety of hanging plants, creating a seamless blend between indoors and outdoors. The wooden deck is spacious, furnished with contemporary gray lounge chairs and a rustic wooden coffee table. Below, a serene water feature bordered by aquatic plants enhances the tranquility of the scene. The lush greenery includes ferns, palms, and colorful foliage, providing a vivid contrast against the warm wooden tones and earthy materials of the house. A luxurious outdoor dining area surrounded by lush tropical vegetation, featuring a contemporary design with wooden structures and terracotta roofs. The scene captures the serene ambience of Twilight, illuminated by warm, ambient lighting that highlights the modern outdoor furniture and elegant dining table. In the foreground, a tranquil water feature flows gracefully into a shallow reflecting pool, mirroring the soft hues of the evening sky. Vibrant greens of the foliage contrast with the earthy tones of the materials, while hints of glowing decorative lanterns add an inviting touch. A modern lakeside villa at dusk, characterized by a sleek, luxurious design that blends seamlessly with nature. The facade features dark stones and large glass panels, creating a hyperrealistic aesthetic. Warm, ambient lighting outlines the structure, enhancing its contemporary style and casting reflections in the calm water. The scene includes a serene infinity pool that extends towards the lake, surrounded by smooth wooden decking. Comfortable lounge chairs and an outdoor seating area with plush cushions invite relaxation. Lush greenery and trees frame the background, while a few large, rounded rocks emerge from the water's edge. Rooftop garden terrace in an urban setting at sunset, featuring a modern, sleek design with large glass sliding doors revealing a contemporary living space inside. The terrace is adorned with vibrant greenery, including a variety of flowers in hues of purple, orange, and lush greenery, creating a beautiful contrast against the wooden decking. A cozy outdoor sectional sofa with colorful cushions invites relaxation, while large stone planters add a natural touch. The background showcases a city skyline with tall buildings softly illuminated by the setting sun, casting warm golden tones across the scene. Modern open interior living space featuring a seamless blend of outdoor and indoor elements, designed in a hyper-realistic style. The scene showcases a lush vertical garden adorned with various shades of green foliage, cascading vibrantly down a textured stone wall. A warm wooden deck provides a welcoming area with minimalist, stylish outdoor furniture, a light-colored armchair and a brown lounge chair facing each other across a sleek coffee table. The setting is illuminated by soft, ambient lighting, enhancing the rich tones of the wooden furnishings and the charcoal gray of the stone walls. A picturesque coastal scene capturing a modern beachfront villa constructed from natural stone, featuring large glass windows and a sloping roof, surrounded by lush greenery and palm trees. The setting is a pristine white sandy beach gently meeting the turquoise sea, under a bright blue sky dotted with fluffy white clouds. Sunlight bathes the area in a warm glow, highlighting the textures of the sandy beach, smooth stones, and soft fabrics of lounge chairs arranged on the patio. Stylized cushions and rustic decor elements like woven baskets add a cozy touch. Modern architectural courtyard with a 3-story concrete building featuring large glass windows, surrounded by vibrant greenery and tropical plants. The setting is a lush urban oasis, showcasing a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor spaces. The patio is adorned with minimalist wooden furniture, including a sofa and an elegant coffee table made of natural wood. The floor is paved with large stone tiles interspersed with patches of grass and small plants. Soft, warm lighting emanates from within, creating a cozy atmosphere. Modern urban rooftop terrace at dusk, featuring a sleek, contemporary building with expansive glass walls that reveal a sophisticated interior. The setting includes an outdoor living space adorned with a spacious wooden deck, stylish outdoor furniture, and vibrant greenery. Soft ambient lighting casts a warm glow, enhancing the inviting atmosphere.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.